Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you quickly how do you redeem Hulu gift card or pay with Hulu gift card. So it's pretty simple process, so let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Hulu. So go to the Hulu website, so go to hulu.com, go to their website and then log into your account. So you need to have an account if you want to redeem it. So just create an account, it's pretty easy. All you need is just your email address or even Google account, it's fine. So an email address is fine, so just create an account. Once that's done, so once you're logged in, so I just logged into my account here. So I've logged in, and then once you've logged in, click on your profile here on your top right. Just click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you'll get to this screen here where you can manage your account. So what you're going to do, simply scroll down and you'll see under payment information there's an option called gift or promotional code. So this is where you enter your Hulu gift card code. So the 10-digit or the 12-digit code from your gift card, you can just simply enter that here and then hit on the next button, and then it will, if the card or if the gift card or the code is valid, then this credit will be added to your account, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple as that. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.